students. Today I am going to tell about plants. We know plants are very useful for us. Plants are the main sources of our food. People depend on plants for food, clean air, fuel, cloth, shelter, medicines and paper, and most of them. Not only human beings but also animals depend on plants for food, either directly and indirectly. Today our lesson name is the plant fairy. I am going to tell about types of the plants. Before knowing about the types of the plants, let us learn parts of the plant. You know very well about the parts of the plant. Look at the picture, children. This is root. This is stem. This is leaf. This is fruit and flowers. You know, under part of the ground, the roots are always under the ground, under the soil. Remaining part of the plant above the ground. This is called root system, which is under the ground. Above part of the ground called shoot system. This is called shoot system. Now I am telling about roots. Roots absorb the water, minerals from the soil and send it to the remaining part of the plant, like this. Above part of the plant, main part is stem. Based on stem, some parts are there, leaf and flowers, fruits. Now, parts of tree. You know, roots are always in below the ground, under the ground, means the soil. Roots. This is the trunk. Branches. Fruit. Flower. Leaves. And twig. Twig means small parts of the branch is called twigs. Now, above the part of the ground is called shoot system. The main parts of the stems. Many stems are there. Trees have many stems are there. Main stem is called trunk. And other thin stems are called branches. The small stems are there. Look at these called branches. Now I am going to tell types of the plants. Firstly, trees. You know, children, you know very well about trees. Do you like some fruits like mangoes, apples, coconut? Coconut is not a fruit. Coconut, these. Look at some trees. I gave some examples. Peepal tree, banyan tree, coconut tree. Tall and big, strong plants are called trees. Trees have strong stem. Look at this is a strong stem. Trees have many stems. Main stem is called trunk. This is also stem, but in the trees we called trunk. The main stem of the tree is called trunk. Thin stems like this is the main stem, the trunk. Thin stems and small stems is called branches. Example of the trees I gave here, look at the picture. Maple tree, banyan tree, coconut tree, apple tree. Now second one, types of the plants. Shrubs. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. Shrubs have small, thin, woody stem and many branches also, like small branches also. Look at some of the examples of the shrubs. Rose plant, tulsi plant, hibiscus plant, jasmine plant. Examples of the shrubs, look at the picture. Hibiscus plant. Have you ever seen this type of plants? Look at another type of the plants, herbs. Some plants have soft and green stems. They are called herbs. Look at the picture. Coriander plant, you know very well. Some of the examples, we can eat this plant also. Some of the examples of the herbs: mint plants, spinach plant, rice plant. Another type of the plant, climbers. These type of the plants have weak stem. They can't stand their own feet. Such plants are called climbers. They need the support of another plant. Look like this is the plant took the support of this tree. Also this woody wall. So they need the support of another plant or stick, any wall. Examples of these climber plants: bean plant, money plant, grapevine plant. Examples of the climbers. Look at, have you seen ever this type of the pictures? Whenever go to the park, whenever go to the hill station like Mullangiri, have you seen? Very beautiful. The climbers climb on the base of based on another tree. Look at here, this house is very beautiful because the plant climbed over the house. Look at this is the climbers. Now another type of the trees, creepers. Some plants crawl along the ground, like this is the crawl. When you are a child, you are also crawl, like this plant crawl on the ground. They are called creepers. Creepers have weak stem and big fruits. Most of the creeper plants have big fruits. That's why they are crawling on the ground. Example, Dear students, can you identify this fruit? Yeah, watermelon. And can you identify this fruit? Pumpkin. Okay. Creeper plant best examples: watermelon plant, pumpkin plant. Another type of the plant, thorny plants. Some plants have thorns like needle type. Animals don't eat such plants. This type of plants animals don't eat because it causes some damage on animal's mouth. This type of plants you can see on desert areas and low rainfall areas. Best example of thorny plants, cactus. This is the cactus plant. Okay. Have you ever seen this type of plant, children? Maybe no. This plant is called, this type of the plants are called thorny plants. Can you identify this picture? I know very well this plant. Can you identify this? What type of the flower? Lotus. Very good. Okay, water plants. Last but not least, I am telling you about the water plants. Some plants grow in water, like lotus plant, water lily plant, because this type of plants need a lot of water. That's why they are growing in the water. Summary of the lesson: types of the plants. Trees, examples of the trees: mango tree, banyan tree, coconut tree. Can you observe this, children? This spelling wrong. Shrubs, SHRUBS. Right spelling. Shrubs examples: rose plant, jasmine plant, hibiscus plant. Herbs example of mint plant, rice plant, spinach plant. Climbers best example: bean plant, money plant, grapevine plant. Creepers best example: watermelon plant, pumpkin plant. Thorny plants best example: cactus. Water plants best example: lotus, water lily plant. Dear students, whenever you go outside, park and your garden, go observe the plants. These types. Observe the plants, which is the herb, which is the tree, which is the creeper, which is climber, which is water plants. Observe the plants.